Hello, today I will introduce to you the Daphile player which you can use to install on your PC that you can make your own the network streaming music server. So with this one we can go to website as you can see. After that you can download the installation file from here. This one. So let's see, after I install, I got the install on the laptop. It will start like this. So here I will use the laptop as the music server, which we can play directly from this laptop, and also you can connect one hard disk, external hard disk, into this laptop, and you can see here we have the IP address. This one we will use to connect from the other device like iPhone or the other laptop or IPC. So this one I connect with my DAC. You can see here this is my DAC. You connect to transport and DAC and to amplifier. So we will start to connect to this IP address. Okay, you can see we got it connected. And from audio player you can go to my music folder. Here I have the external hard disk. You can play everything.
Little song, it means so much. It can give you a gentle touch. I'm not sure if you can hear, but it's there to take your feet.
Music got from this disk, connect to Jacky, and we got the USB output to.
If you want my love, depend on me a little less. If you want my love, think first of your own happiness.
Here.
You know what they say.
So it's FOV play DD.
stay a while, the feeling's good. Hoping the road will not divide. I like it here, I want to stay. It's so easy to say. But if you want my love, go your own way. If you want my love, go your own way. Chỉ cần một bài yêu. Biết chim hết